Good morning, guys. Thanks for being here. Another day, another trade. So, yesterday was a beautiful sell, but today I prefer to open the long position according the my analysis about gold. So, so yes, let's be ready. We already have this sum in the next 5 minutes. If the price break this 0.5, we will open the loan with no too much issues. But let's see. First of all, we need to break that zone and then try to clarify the information there. So, well, let's wait a little. Let's wait a little. 4 minutes. We have 4 minutes for talk. Tell me about your sessions at this moment. Tell me about if you take any position or something like this. What you're waiting for, or what is your expectations for the day? Ski 86 is here. Jesus is here. Jonas. Let me check. Marcilio is here too. Work in process. Is here. We'll retest and go up. So let's try to find the position around 40, 20, something like this. Last 4 minutes. Around 40, 20. So, well, 3 minutes. Okay, it's going back. So, so what happened now? So basically, as you can see, the price is most to break the 0.5, the 0.5, and they were unable to pass the 0.5. So probably we will retest the main zone. The main zone is 40.15. And into the main zone, we already have the confirmation was these reactions here. So for that reason, we try to open the position around 40.15. Let's see what happened. Just waiting, guys. We have time. We got some news today. We got some news today. Um, well, let's wait the confirmation. What confirmation do we need? This around like a pin bar reaction. Okay, like a pin bar reaction. Something important. That's a beautiful reaction here into the 40.15. That's the other thing, like it was a nice reaction, but that reaction was in 1 minute. 1 minute, that reaction was for 50 pips. So, well, I think they go to bed now. Temporarily put down. Okay, perfect. Well, some people is taking the position. At this moment, I'm waiting the confirmation, guys. I'm waiting the confirmation because I don't like that retracement. And I don't like the price didn't break the 40.20. That is the reason. So let's wait this Vida noticias. Dicen que no es recomendable operar hoy. Siempre es siempre dicen eso. So while waiting, guys. Oops, sorry. Almost destroy my cell phone. Very well. So well, guys, remember if you want to clarify what is your best option or trade with a prop firm, just go into the propfirmmatch.com. There you will see the most trustable prop firms into the market. If you are working with a prop firm, just go there, share the your opinion, even if a good opinion, even if it's a bad opinion, just go there and comment about your experience with the prop firms and with your own company. Remember, Prop Firm Match is not a company for directly for a prop firm. It's a website for rate the prop firms, guys. So just go there. If you're interested in something, you will receive um, a really good discount for your challenge, guys. So just go click into the link and check what is the best information for you. So, what do you think of the top one traded prop firm? Top one. I think it's okay. I think it's okay. Um, but again, if you want to clarify, what is the opinion for the rest of the people, different people around the world, just go into the propermatch.com and you will see the comments about that company, guys. And of course, if you are interested, just apply for a one challenge. Okay. Remember, before any open any challenge, read the comments about that companies, guys. Okay. Well, the prop firm is by my side. It's really important because Edgar. This is for Edgar. Um, you need to clarify if you pass a challenge. If you pass a challenge, probably, and you stay with your account for at least 3 4 months, receiving your withdrawals, I think you will be able to have a real account. Okay, The problem with the people is it starts with these with the real accounts. They invest 200, $300, and they lose it, and they lose that money and continue investing 300 and $500 with no control. Because if you don't know about this, how to control your account, probably you will lose the money. So for the prop firm, it's easier to pass to pay for the challenge. Pass the challenge means you have a really good criteria for control your emotions, for control your trading. So that it's really really important. Okay, what I consign to use heads for a beginner, 5 key, 5 key in a challenge, and the 5 key challenge most of the time is around for $30 or something like this, less than $30. And if you pass the challenge for 5 key, probably it's easy to pass the 5 key challenge, and probably you will have good profits around, not that much, but you invest $30 um, and everything. Well, it depends. Hey, Larita, can you tell me about FXA5? Is that trusted? I use FXA5. I use FXA5, and I like it, and I like the environment, and I like the support, everything. But they are not that friendly, they are not that friendly with the rules and everything. So you need to control yourself. You need to control yourself for if you are want to trade with this company. It's not that easy. It's not that easy. That's the reality to pass the challenge. You have other options more friendly than FXI5, but just go into the profit match and you will see what is the best one. For a static down, I would say this. It depends. It depends of the company. You have many companies for a static down, my friend. Anas. So just go there into the profit match and click into and read, guys. Read. This is important to read. Read all the information that they provide us. All the information is into the proper match.com. Okay. By now, I hate peasant peasants workers. I looks like my son got offended. I will buy the account because I usually has I yes, start with something like if you are a beginner starting 5 key, 10 key, maximum 50 key, you know, because your brain needs to clarify how do you feel when you see the red numbers and the blue numbers. Did we before the breakfast? Yes. We need another candle. We need another candle, guys. Nothing confirmed at this moment. As you can see, this candle is dodgy. So we need to wait. Both one lot in 40.25. So if you both one lot, it means you are in minus $1,000, my friend. It's too much. You're helping me a lot. That's the idea, my friend. That's the idea of this streaming to help the people. So always is a pleasure. Always is a pleasure. We Asians are not poor. Who the hell say that? I don't think Asians poor people. I think these Asians have really strong countries. You know, China, Singapore, Japan, South Korea. Most of that countries is that they are rich. You know, I prefers own investment, not prop firm. Yes, it depends. You know, if you feel better, but that I'm talking about someone with no funds. I'm talking about someone starting in trading. Oh, Humer, Humer Ken, I always see you here, so I suppose you have some experience with trading. So, so yes, Pakistan is an Asian country too. Well, India, I think it's you have many people in Pakistan and India. You know, massive countries. For key account, you can use around 0.50 with no issues. But well, guys, I'm going to eat here. I'm going to eat. Jesus again. I'm going to eat here. I'm waiting the confirmation. I'm going to eat and back. Okay. Okay, guys, we got the retracement. So let's prepare the position. Let's be ready. Let's be ready. I'm into the long position now. Very slow. Okay. So let's be ready. The ones who are waiting, let's prepare the position. This is long. Okay. Perfect. Just waiting. What? 30 seconds more. There we are. It goes so fast. I really want to open it in 4010. Let me read waiting some the retracement. 13. Come on. Go back, go back. Go back. Okay, nice. Okay. The position it's there. Not the best point again. So well, let's see. Okay, the point was 40, 13. That 26. 4008. Massive reaction there. If you take a better position, so congratulations. I'm there. Let me work into the DPS. DP1, 40, 19, 20, DP2, 40, 20, 40, 23, DP3, 26, 40, 40, 30, 33. Looks great. So, well, good reaction, not the best point of entry, of course. I really want to take the position around 40, 40, 10, something like this, but well, the one candle give me that point of entry, so that things happen. Now it's going back again. 4019. Difficult one. Now it looks difficult. We were in positive. We'll try a double entry here. So let's see if we can have some luck. Let's see. Reactions for 40 pips each candle. This is the 42, 40, 23. Okay. 40 and 26. 33. Mm-hmm. Yeah, looks nice. So, well, let's see. We need a good reaction there in the last 5 minutes to defend the point of entry. And testing 4010, we need to, these candles, defend that point. So it depends for the next 4 minutes. So better point at this point. Remember, if you are taking a better point, try to use 40.08, maximum 40.07 as a stop loss. If you get a better point, right? What I mean a better point. My position was in 40.14, that 26. So yes, that means a better point. Better point at 40.14. It means 40.30, 40.12, 40.10. That was my original um, idea to open the trade there. But well, let's see. Last 3 minutes. And the buyers are trying to continue. So that's great. That's great. So let's see. We need more. We need more. Pressure. Last two candles. So really important for these two candles, guys. Probably at this moment, some people it's in positive, with a really good profit and everything. So well, let's see. We have 50 pips. So this is the last candle. So we need this candle continue in green, near to 40.15. At least stay near in the 40.15. So let's see. Looks great. Looks really nice. Looks really, really nice. The good thing with this type of trade is many people can take it in a better position than me. So that's make me happy. Almost DP1. Mm, reaction for sellers. Here, what is the deal? The deal is break the 0.5. That's really important. That's really, really important. So let's see. Price ends very well in 15 minutes as a pin bar reaction. Let's see if we can continue. Good candle close. Yes, exactly. It's really nice. For 50 minutes, it ends really nice. So we need to continue with this pressure. Okay, just some more. Just some more. Okay, just and the TP1 it's now, guys. TP1 it's now. TP1 it's now. TP1 it's now. TP1 it's now. I will start the break even because I don't like this. It's Friday, guys. It's Friday. So set your break even. 50 pips. Close P. I'm going to set the break even in my first position because I have another position here. So that is the main reason. I'm going to continue with this position here, 50. Here I am, 40. Well, I think I can give you some space. This, right? No, no. 40. Not sure where I can set my. Well, I'm going to set it there. So probably it will hit my first position or give some space. We need to continue. But well, let's see if we can touch DB2. Remember, we need to break the 0.5, so that's really important. Let's see. Share your profits at this point. I'm seeing some people having Discord a better position than me, so that's great. They can recover some money, and so that's beautiful. Let's go. We need more. We need more. Let's go for the TP2. Well, my first position was taken, so I will continue with my second position. Let's see. Okay, I think today I can go to the for 1,000. I'm starting the day. I'm starting the week minus 30% of my account. So well, probably now. Let's see. Looks nice. Looks nice. Let me see here. 300. That's good. Yes, I'm using FXI5. So well, the price again, guys, is a must to break the 4020. That's the deal for the next 7 minutes. If the price is unable to pass the 0.5, probably we will see another reaction and another go back to the 4012, 4010, something like this. Thanks again. Profit as usual. Hope to get TP2. RT, yes, I hope the same things. So we'll hold him. $82 for Jesus Grace Network. That's beautiful, my friend. Congratulations. So let's see if we can. Who's holding? Who's holding? Holding forever? Yes, I'm holding in B. Remember, I'm holding in break even. I lose the first account. Sorry, I lose the first trade. It's already hit the B. Rather than continue with the second trade here in 4010. Mm-hmm. TP1 again. TP1 again. I can reduce a little, just like, just for take some zero that two, for example. Just for take some pips there. TP1. Take some partials. Take some partials, guys. And remember, if you want to be part of this beautiful community, this is the last day for the prices. Going to be like this: 1 year subscription, $79. Next month, I will change the prices, guys. How do you do partials, TP? Well, if you don't know how to do the partial, I recommend just go to YouTube and type the same questions. How to do the partials, and that's all. Last two candles. Yes, the market is in a it's same last yesterday, guys. Same as yesterday. We it's on a consolidation. $1 es $1, sí, mi querida amiga, sí. O sea, pudimos haber perdido ese trade perfectamente. This trade was so difficult, guys. It was so difficult because at the moment when we start the position, I really want to open the trade in 40.10, but the price goes up, and then I open the trade and instantly it goes back. But we survive. Yes, because the $125 is a lifetime subscription. For 1 year is $79. I admire your skills. Thanks, my friend. Works in progress. I really appreciate that. Hola, mi amigo. Entró tarde hoy. Hoy, bueno, empezamos igual un poquito tarde por las noticias, pero aquí estamos. Mm, ujú. So, guys, that's great. That's beautiful. Um, share your profits. Share your profits again for TP1. So well, guys, Sear may hit TP2 and hit. It may hit your TP2 and hit your stop loss. Probably. But first, to take the TP, remember I'm break even. That's the thing, guys. Remember, I'm in break even. I'm in break even. I'm in break even. Esos flechas arriba y abajo, ¿qué quieren decir? Eso fue el momento de la entrada. Momento de la entrada y de cómo va a ir saliendo. ¿Ok? Okay. Let's roll for TP2, guys. So TP2 it's now, guys. TP2 it's now. I will take some partial here. 0.3 at least. Then 50. TP2 it's now, guys. TP2 it's now. Take some partials. I need to advise here into the Telegram. TP2 go now. Partial. Break even, please. 88. So, well, my idea for today was end the account for at least 1,000. 1,000. So I think I already complete this gold. No, I need at least then. Mm, no, but it's too much. Going to continue like this in 65. So share your profits if you continue with the TP2, guys. Compré de nuevo en 40.16. Bueno, vaya igual sacando este. Uh, yes, the thing is, if you are not into a position, try to then open the position. The trade, what I recommend was in 40.14 between 40.10, no more than that. $453 in positive. So that's great, my friend. Beautiful. Beautiful, my friend. That's nice. That's nice. We need to break this 0.5. That's the deal. This moment holding, guys. I'm holding. Okay. I'm holding, but it's but um little holding, but small. Yeah, I'm holding on Fridays, guys. To be honest, on Fridays, I'm not I'm not this that greedy, like normal. Of course, if I can continue my first position in 4014, that could be great. But that's okay by my side. That's okay by my side. So, hola Laurito, happy Halloween. Gracias, mi amigo. Querida, te manda saludos mi amiga Elena. Saludos para Elena. So, well, guys, who is still holding? And C block is holding. Second trade, no. So you can see my original trade was taken, and my this trade is continue holding. So I will hold at least for the TP3 for take a little more partial and increase my position, or just share your profits. There, Camilo. The thing is, I will disappear the 1 year subscription. I'm just going to continue working to lifetime subscription. I have at least for, I don't know, like 300 people or something like this, uh with different dates. And well, that's the thing what I want to avoid, like I just want to, I can imagine, like when we arrive for more subscribers and everything, um and the next year, talking with this, I'm following that 300 people. So for that reason, the 1 year subscriptions will disappear today. This is the last day for the 1 year subscription. Starting next week, the prices will change for lifetime subscription, and that's all. And that's all. And of course, lifetime subscriptions will increase the prices. So yes, that's the that's just contact me by WhatsApp. Just contact me by WhatsApp, and that's all, guys. 88 pips, 88 pips for this trade, and the position was taken. Okay, but yes, the reason for I will update these prices is because of the massive list what I have with different names, different usernames, um, into the Discord, into the Telegram, um, different numbers. So it's massive that list. So so I don't want to that list increase more. So for that reason, the price will be updated in lifetime subscription and no more 1 year subscription. Today is the last day for the 1 year subscription, guys, for $79. Okay, so be clear of that. There is a software to manage all of this for you as ChatGPT. Yes, I know, but I'm really bad. I'm really bad with that type of softwares and everything. Um, Probably next year we will have an assistance and everything. But I prefer, just going to the lifetime subscription, and that's all. If you like my work, go into the lifetime subscription. I will help you as much as I can. I'm working with many people in Discord trying to update this this his trading style in Discord. So yes, and this candle, as you can see, just go here for retest the point of entry and then grow up again. What's your strategy, sir? It's volume sums. Volume sums. I use the volume sums, guys. Something what these people need to understand, guys, is mostly work alone. Um, I analyze the market alone, and I share the entries alone into the Discord, into the Telegram. My moods give me the support to to control the chats, of course, but the entries and everything, I take the responsibility for all the entries. It's not like I have a group of traders or something like this. No, it's just me. And for that reason, less work it's better for me, less work. It means like no, at the end of the day, starting like saving numbers, saving users, saving dates of payments. With lifetime subscription, is it's better. You know, I think it's going to be better for everyone. Of course, it's not going to be that expensive, um, but it will is more expensive than $79, of course. Trading is a very independent job. Yes, just if you are into like in a company like of traders, you will see these reactions, a team or something like this. But I don't feel alone anymore. Since once a year ago, I have you guys. This beautiful, uh, this beautiful, this beautiful community. Clay's boy is here. That's nice. Mm. Okay, here. Tomorrow we will have Bitcoin into the weekend session for this um for Telegram and Discord. We have some trades in Bitcoin just in case. I thought I'm joining trading social network. If it feel like Facebook and YouTube community trading only where you can get have your own private channel. It's the new thing now. I thought about joining a trading social network. That sounds good. When I have a yearly 79, I will yearly pay my 79, or it goes up for me. No, it will continue for the $79. The people who pay for the $79, they continue with the $79. Um, but since next Monday, these options will disappear. Okay, people. Well, thanks for understanding. Thanks for understanding, guys. I'm still holding. What do you suggest? I suggest to set your break even and do some partials, my friend. Now, as you can see, guys, the point of entry was beautiful. 40-14. 40-10 was beautiful. Really nice reactions. But like yesterday, we got like this accumulation. That's weird accumulation. Well, it takes over B. Love your way to go easy. I mean, trading is like not enter fast and then it lose him. You need to make it easy, guys. You need to make it easy. If you don't make it easy, if you start thinking, um, uh, if you don't think, if you don't make it easy, you will lose money, guys. That's all. So stop thinking about many numbers, many strategies. Just choose one strategy, and that's all. Just choose one strategy. Make your own strategy, and it's pretty easy. How much for the lifetime subscription is a $125 for the lifetime subscription for Discord and Telegram. Discord is for support. Discord is for support. Here, well, here for example, we trade this Tokyo session. Let me find the Tokyo session here. Well, in Tokyo session, I share the entries for the point of interest for the day and explain what I want. Explain what I want. Well, this is New York. Let me check here. But this is how Tokyo looks like. Well, again, I share the zones for the for the position. Very clear. 2 3 zones. And explain like around 4020. I will prepare the entry there, here, and explain like we will try to open the position there. Then here I explain in 4017. I will share the position, and then when I share the position, some people lose that position and everything, but it was beautiful. It was a beautiful position for 150 pips. And some profits of one of my members, Many, did $1,166. That was beautiful, and he paid me $125. So well, Eve makes some profits too. And well, everyone here is supporting and everything, talking about this the position. Um, well, Peter, $269. Um, Here, for example, a really good example how to take my signal and take a better point. 4010, 4011, holding. So that's great. That's great. Beautiful. Everyone is talking there. Well, of course, the pre-recorded videos about the strategy, the AI stock analysis, the ChatGPT, is very useful too. And of course, the Telegram, very simple. The Telegram always is like this, guys. The Telegram always is like this. Um, I share the information. For example, here Tokyo session, preparing a short position. Go sell now. I provide my point of entry. The reaction yesterday was so hard, and we made the purchase and everything. TP3 and 151 pips. Today his was the same. Waiting for the dates. Buy gold now. Point of entry and the TPs. And well, that's the different channels what we have. And well, guys, as you can see, the price again, it's for the ones who do a re-entry again, taking some bit. Just smart. If you are into the Discord, just you need to pay the difference, and that's all. Mm-hmm. Don't take the buy. Yes, at this moment we're out of the trade. 88 pips. But the good thing with this trade is many people can take it. That's that was great by my side. And we end the this month. We end this month for with 2000. 927 plus 88. 2015 pips. Okay. So what happened now? In 1 month into the Telegram channel, we made 54 entries in gold, 54 entries in 31 days. Two entries in Dow Jones, not as successful trades. Nasdaq, not as successful trades. Same for USD and GEM, and one trade in Bitcoin for 71 pips in positive. That trade was very nice. I hold it a little more. It was a long position. So another win in Dow Jones too. Was really nice. But yes, around I'm not going to win all the trades, but well, some I'm going to have 2 or 3 good days per week. Um, that is enough for people make money, pass the challenge and everything. For this week, as you can see, we start this week really difficult. Um, for example, Tokyo session, we made five trades, two stop loss, and one TP1. So this moment was awful session, but the last two sessions was a full take profit. So that was a totally recover. New York session was the same. Three stop loss, 55 pips, 55 pips, another one for 38 pips. But the thing is, we made two trades for more than 80 pips, one TP1 for 50 pips, and one full take profit for 173 pips. So it was a good session. It was a good session. No, guys, no, not a re-entry for the loan. Okay, not a re-entry for the loan. So what happened now? So well, let me check. Let me check if we can do something else or not. Let me check if we can do something else. Was a volume by some in 4 hours. Okay. Okay, it's done. This is the 1 hour. Okay, we got another cells on here. Okay, and we can prepare the sell position. Mm-hmm. So 1 hour. Okay, so only 1 hour. But let's see if we can find a retracement. That's the point. We need to find a retracement, and let's see what happened there. Mhm. Vamos a ver. Let's see. At this moment, it's in a 100, 100 pips. Mhm. So let's see what happened. Let's see what happened here. It's falling. It's falling. So that's great. So that means the position this one will be taken, and we have a sell zone here with a little break of a structure here. Buyers try their best for continue with the long position, but the thing is they were unable to pass the C or that 5. Remember, the point of reaction for sellers was in 4020. For that reason, we're seeing that reaction, you know? So it's going back. Goal do is a correction for a loan already doesn't mean you can take advantage of range. Exactly. Well, remember we're doing scalping, right? Some scalps it's going to be more than 100 pips or 80 pips. Uh, but for that reason, I set my two positions in break even and take some partials, guys. You need to follow that instructions. Everything is going to be okay. So now the price is going back. The price is going back very, very aggressive. So yes, let's see what happened with the last 5 minutes. Let's continue talking. Let me read a little the chat. Yes, if the price break that the 4010, we will see that things. Even if the price break the 4090, we will see another fall. Buyer sentiment 75%. Um, sometimes sometimes you can use that type of reactions and everything. But well, but the buyer sentiment or the seller sentiment most of the time, well, I don't use it that type of indicators. There was Lorito, my son, love you. I really do respect you, man. Thanks, my friend, for your support. Um, say hello to your son, my friend. That's great. I have a mood grin. He's 17 years old, and he prefer watching the markets than play video games or something like this. Or I remember when I was a teenager. When I was a teenager, I was just focusing myself in parties, friends. Nowadays, I don't have that friends for when I was a teenager. Um, so I can imagine if I'm starting on trading 18 or 17. You know, take advantage of my age. But well, at least I learn a little how to speak English. At least 31 years old. I waste many years, many years in parties, doing other stuff than. Mhm. Than a good things. But well, I think my main issue was when I lose my parents at 20. Um, but that was a good thing because there I'm learning about this, how the real pain looks like. You know, nowadays if I lose, it didn't pain. Like I don't care. Um, that helps me a lot to grow up, but it takes 5 years But again, to start in trading, remember, I'm starting trading 5 years ago. So I was into the 26, 26 years old when I was starting trading. Mm, and well, then that was difficult, but well, nowadays it's helped me, and it's really nice when you knows the pain, the real pain. You don't care when you lose a trade or something like this, or when you're losing money. It's like it's money. I don't care, you know. So beautiful drop. That was a beautiful drop. Amazing drop. Beautiful, beautiful drop. So, well, guys, who introduced you in trading? I introduced myself in trading. I introduced myself in trading, but I start with these binarias or binaries. I don't know how to say in English. Binaries, I think. I was really good in binaries, guys. I was really good in binaries, and it helped me to nowadays to be really good into my point of entry, to recognize a strong point of entry. But binaries is not that good, you know. But yes, I introduced myself. Then I fall in a lot of pyramids companies. And well, binary options. Binary options, yes, binary options. Was really good. The people who understand, binaries is in a long term, you will lose a lot of money in binaries. Just continue for forex, but it helps me to to be good in clarified point of entries in 1 minute. So I remember I won many competitions in IQ option, like international competitions. They always do like traders from Costa Rica versus traders from Dominican Republic or something like this, or competitions for Latin America and South America. I remember when I won that competitions, just dedicate myself to one competitions in IQ options. So that was great. That was really nice, and I really enjoyed. Probably one day, just for chill and relax, uh, we can take 2 or 3 entries in IQ option or something like this. You know, on weekends, for example, when we're doing nothing, um, just for just for troll some, just for fun. Uh, The baddest loss you had is when I was following Adas 360. I don't know if someone is um, that channel. I don't know if someone know that channel. Adas 360. Did you read a book to learn or learn a specific course? Um, ya será más. Um, yes, I read many books, but about personal books about how to control your feelings. Because I think people here, most of the people here don't understand trading is about their feelings and not about the entries. So well, I was following that guy in Andas 360. That's the name of that guy. Uh, Instantly when I open the position, I lose around 101,200 dollars in 1 minute, guys. In 1 minute, I lose that that money, because I was following that guy, because he trade during the news, and that day I understand it's not a good option to trade during the news. Please try we talk in prepaid. Khaled, if you're interested, just go into the WhatsApp. Binary and Ponzi, you came from the dark side. Oh, yes, the dark side. But binary, I really enjoy the binary. But I enjoy the binaries. Um, um, the competitions. I really enjoyed that feeling when I won. Let me check this if I have the uh, binaries. Mm, Let me see if I have this. I really enjoy this the competitions. That that was really nice. Like experience, experience to go versus different people around the world. But at the end, at the end of the binaries, it's not a good option. It's not a good option to start in trading. That is the pure casino feeling, like I'm going to open this trade here just because of the candles in 1 minute. So that's not good. That's not good. Luca Gama. Okay, my friend, Instagram. Let me check. Let me check. Thanks for that. Like this is a screenshot when I was using a IQ option. I really enjoyed, my name there. Everyone seeing my name in one of the um, best trader, one of the into the top three of the best traders here in my country. That was the feeling, or just for example, the competitions, what I have, you know, some rewards. I remember I won. That was my first one, my first competition. Into the IQ option. I invest $10 and then win $86. Nothing. But that feeling was great, very graceful. Like up for trading social. That's really nice, really nice. But at this moment, I have like at least 3 years with no binaries. That's nice. Was nice. Are you planning on taking any more trade? No, guys. That's all. Que Dios te dé más, bro. Agradecido contigo. A usted también, mi amigo. Any tariff news impact? Of course, that was a news. Those arrows on your chart seems to be accurate. Yes, this one was for the trade yesterday. I opened a sell here in 40.15 and then closed the trade in 39.80. So that was great. So so it was nice. The best trade today was the Tokyo session. What type of camp is how we can to participate? Well, all the brokers have competitions, guys, and most of the time is for free. But you have to have the knowledge to win that competitions. No, no, it's not an indicator. It's the positions when it open. Excellent. Tokyo gave us 400 pips. Yes, I take around 150 and then go to sleep. So, well, guys, by my side, that's all. Uh, Not too much to do at this moment. That candle is massive, and probably the price will go back. So take care. Remember, today is the last day with a $79 for Telegram. Next month, I will update the prices. So be clear of that. By my side, that's all, guys. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the good comments. Thanks for the bad comments. Thanks for share this streaming with your friends. Thanks for share this streaming with your family. Thanks for share this stream with everyone. I appreciate that. And remember, if you want to work like me with a prop firm, just go into the promfirmmatch.com The description is into, well, the link is into the description, and I will share the link into the chat. Into the profile match, you will see what is the best prop firm into your country. What is your best prop firm according your expectations, guys? So just click into the link, and you will see all that beautiful information with this beautiful web for clarify what is the best option for you, guys. So just make me a favor, click the link, and you will see what is the best um, what is the best information. Okay, the link is into the chat, and the link is into the description. You're very nice, and you have a bad opinion. Well, many people have a different opinions. You know, different opinions. So it depends. It depends of your experience with me, of course. And well, I appreciate this point of view. That's a beautiful thing in internet. You know, you have many options. You have many options in trading. Yes. Ahorita, English or Spanish. Yo hablo español, prefiero hablar español, pero bueno, solo Carolín hoy me saludó en español. Poca gente me habla en español. Preferiría que la mayoría de gente aquí hablara español, pero bueno, eh, no tendría que pensar en inglés ni hablar tan mal inglés, pero bueno, prefiero, la verdad, que el canal estuviera lleno de gente hablando español, pero bueno, la mayoría habla inglés. Todo bien. But well, I appreciate all that beautiful support, guys. Thanks for everything. Thanks for everything. Thanks for always being here. I'll be back on Tokyo session for the next Tokyo session for the people in Telegram. Tomorrow, probably we will take one trade for the people in Telegram. So for Bitcoin, but just for the um, people in Discord and into the Telegram. Karen, tú vives en Costa Rica, sí, querida, yo en Costa Rica. Por acá te saludo, Romina. Hablarte en español, hablen en español, los invito a hablar en español y, y, y yo les hablo en español. I'm from Philippines. I've been watching your channel for a while now, even tough. I don't have money of now. I do follow you on this path. Perfect, my friend. Laura, mi amigo. Sí, esperemos. Esperemos. Ya hasta que ya fue bastante fuerte. Algo pasó ahí con las noticias. Entonces, nada que ver. Siempre estoy en vivo, Miguel. Lunes a viernes en la sesión de New York. Active the notifications, guys. Active the notifications. Gracias, Lorito. Muchas veces quisiera consultarte, pero no voy a interrumpirte. La próxima hablo. Sos un grande. Todo gusto, mi amigo. Already cannot find one of the membership on your website. Yes, it's not into the website, my friend. Go into the WhatsApp directly if you want to apply for the $79 1 year subscription. The website is already updated. Me sale como 125 por Telegram. Sí, tiene que ir al WhatsApp. Al WhatsApp, ahí está la opción de $79. So, guys, today is the last day with the $79. So, if you're interested, just go into the WhatsApp. See you next sessions, guys. Thanks for everything. Thanks for always being here. I appreciate everyone here. And thanks for understanding his rating. Thanks for follow the rules. And thanks for always watching the videos. See you soon, guys.